Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Resa Lestari with students number 2321-2074, and today I'm going to explain about the teaching, reading and writing using genre-based approach. I'm going to start with the definition first. The definition of the GBA and what are the key characteristics of this method. A genre-based approach is a method of teaching that focuses on the understanding and production of selected genres of text, both spoken and written. A genre-based approach is an approach that emphasizes the importance of exploring the social and cultural context of language used on a piece of writing. And thus, through GBA, students learn to analyze how language functions across different genres, using this knowledge to improve their reading and writing effectiveness in various contexts. And the characteristics of GBA include the first is take focus, second, product and process, and then integration holistic approach, and last one, contextualize language use. And the next is based on Hammond and Macon. There are four stages in the implementation approach to organizing textbooks, or the example of explanation of genre pedagogy, helping students read and write text independently. And the first is build field knowledge, or BKOF. Teacher and students joined a build cultural contact, share experiences related to topic, discuss lexical grammatical patterns, lay the foundation for the text stage. And the second is modeling of text, or MOT. Students read various texts with the same communicative purpose, get to know the social-linguistic features of the text, understand the social function of the text, and then analyze the semantic structure of the text, and also receive feedback from the teacher. And the third is joint construction of text, or DCOT. Students write and deconstruct the text through teacher-student and student interaction, consolidate students' understanding of the text semantic structure, and strengthen their field knowledge of language patterns. And the last one is independent construction of text. Students write text by themselves. Through this stage, students can read and write text by themselves. And here are the example on how implementing this method in the classroom. Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello students, so today we are going to learn about narrative text. Okay, so before we start, what is your favorite childhood story? How about you?
Paling Kurnia.
Okay, I love that story too. How about you? Moment about putih, okay, interesting. How about you? Okay, great. So everyone has their own childhood favorite story. Okay. Every story I can mention is the example of the narrative text story. So what is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text that tells us a story. It can based on true events or even completely made up, and then even mix both of them. The main in narrative text, it has four structures. The first is orientation. Second, comprehension. Third, resolution, and reorientation. Okay. Now let's watch this video. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
The Bird and the Whale.
We have watched this video. So one of you please explain about this answer for
This happened falling off the bird and the whale.
the character
characters from the video. There are two characters. The first is the bird. This is the male live in the ocean, and the bird live in the sky. So they are have a different environment. So after you watch and read the video, I will explain about the key characteristic or language features of the text. So what is the key characteristic? The first is past tense verbs, time connectors. After you know about the key characteristic and language features, let's make story. Okay, but I will guide you to make story based on the scenarios that we make. Based on this scenario, can you make one narrative story on this scenario? You can work in a group. Simple narrative story for this scenario. I will give you 3 minutes to make this story. Or maybe you can. Okay, have you done? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to be the representative. Yeah. Okay, let's come forward then. For the narrative text that we discussed together. On a summer day, in the Mr. James' house, she lived with two animals. There are the diligent dog and the lazy cat. One day, the lazy cat still sleep in the sofa, and the dog woke up early every day and always helped Mr. James. Mr. James angry to see the cat. Lazy, and then she not give him food and make the cat hungry and also angry. In the end, because the cat not get his food, he changed his behavior to be more diligent so that Mr. James can give him food again. And for moral lesson that we don't to be lazy. Okay. Maybe that's all. So it was a great narrative story. So for the feedback, maybe you can tell about the one story at the end of the story become more smooth and it can be explicit, okay? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your participation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, and for the main advantage of GBA are the first is integrate language and culture. Students learn social and cultural context through the language structure, which is crucial in foreign language settings. And second, balances process and product. It views writing as both a step-by-step activity or process and as a final product requiring deliberate language choices or results. And the third, emphasize interaction. It relies on collaboration students and teacher-students, where the teacher acts as a scaffold to support learning. And the fourth, links reading and writing. It promotes the balanced development of skills, where reading and writing mutually support each other. Alright, and for the conclusion, GBA guides students through structured stages of learning, integrates social context, language features, reading and writing, and encourage collaboration and teacher scaffolding, also helps students produce text independently, enhances overall literacy skills effectively. That's all for the explanation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.